The great animal almost got me that last time. She almost got me. But this time we're gonna get her because she's sleeping now over here. We're gonna get her. We're gonna see her. Okay, here she is. I'll show it to you. She's feisty, that one. She's a very heavy sleeper. She can't hear me. I can talk as loud as I want. I can do whatever I want to her. She can't. She won't know. She won't wake up. But here she is. She's a big one. There she is. Let's get a little bit closer. Nasty thing, isn't she? See, she's a very heavy sleeper, so I can do practically anything I want to her. Like this. Hey. Oh shit. Oh shit, you're gonna get me. I better get out of here.